Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Joy again. Okay, so we are dealing with question 14, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, that's question 14. So what we're trying to do here is that they ask us to what? Simplify. Okay, simplify, which is simple. Okay, simplify. This is simple. Okay, so we have square root of 245 q raised to power 3 q raised to power minus 2 and then 5 over 5 q raised to the power 5 q raised to the power minus 6. Okay, so like I said, if you want to simplify, you take the same alphabet. If they are not the same, okay, don't touch it, just leave it as it is. Take the same alphabet, take the one that you know that yes, they have the same alphabet. An alphabet runs from A to Z. It's not all the time you'll be saying X, you'll be saying A and B. No, you can also see other alphabets. This is alphabet B, you have alphabet Q, you're simplifying. So just go straight to the point. You don't need to waste your time. 5 can go into for 5, okay? So it's as simple as that. So 5 here, 5 here 1, 5 in 24, 5 in 20, that is 4. Then to remain 4, 5 in 45, that is 9 times 5, 45, that's 49. So it means this one is what? 49. Don't forget, it's the same thing as saying p raised to the power 3 over p raised to the power 5 times q raised to the power minus 2 over q raised to the power minus 6. It's still the same thing. Okay, it's still the same thing. I've divided this 5 here, it has gone, that's 49. This is still the same thing. I will still have the same time, just writing it, just for you to see the value of what? Of applying indices, law of indices here. So this is the same thing as saying square root of 49, okay, times p raised to the power 3 times 1 over p raised to the power 5, okay, that's p raised to the power 5 times q raised to the power minus 2 times 1 over q raised to the power minus 6. Okay, I did it like this because I want to apply negative index law. Okay, I can also apply division law. Take one power, okay, and subtract, take one base and subtract the power. It's the same thing. Take one base and subtract the power. That's division law under indices. So this is something I'm saying, that's root 49 times, don't forget, negative, this one is coming up, that is what? P raised to the power 3 times p raised to the power what? Minus 5. Okay, because it's coming up. It's coming up. The same thing applies here. Okay, that's q raised to the power minus 2 times q raised to the power minus 6. Don't forget, very key, don't forget, minus 6. The first minus here is 1 over, and don't forget the power of this q at the denominator here already had minus. So if you miss that minus, you will get wrong answer. So this is the same thing as saying 49 times, pick one power and add the base, multiplication law. Okay, p, that's 3 plus minus 5. It's as simple as that. Times q minus 2 plus, this one, minus times minus is what? Plus. It's very important. Minus, this bracket means minus. Minus times minus is what? Plus. So this one will give us what? Plus 6. Okay, everything is all over square root. So this is what? 49 times p, plus times minus, you see, it's coming out again. Plus times minus is what? Minus. So 3 minus 5. 3 minus 5 will give us what? Minus 2. It's as simple as that. Plus times minus is what? Minus. 3 minus 5 will give us minus 2. Times q. I've mentioned this again all over. Under factorization or indices, I've mentioned it. Minus 2 plus 6, I have 6 naira. I'm giving out 2 naira. It will remain what? 4 naira. So that is what? 4. All raised to power. What are we trying to do here? We are trying to simplify. We want to break it down to the lowest, so that at the end of the day, we can we can get our answer. So let me continue this one here. So now I can split the square to everything. This is the same thing as saying root 49 times root p raised to power minus 2 times root q raised to power 4. Okay, root 49, I'm splitting the square roots to all of them, multiplication law, times root this, then root q. So 49 is a perfect square. 7 times 7 is what? 49, if I'm not mistaken. So 7 times 5 is 35. 7 times 5 is 35. If you have 35, if you had another 7, that makes it 6. Okay, so if you add another 7 to this, that will give you what? 12 and 42. So that's 6. Then if you add another 7 to it, it will give you what? That's 9, 49. So 7 times 7 is what? 49. It's a perfect square. Times, don't forget, I mentioned it under sort. The meaning of root is the same thing as what? 1 over 2. This is the same thing as saying p minus 2 times 1 over 2. This is the same thing as saying q4 times what? 1 over 2. It's as simple as that. Root law. That's the meaning of root. So 2 will cancel, then I can now have 7 times p. 2 will cancel 2. 2 will cancel 2 here. You have minus 1. So 2 will also cancel 2 4, out of 4. 2 in 4 is what? 2. That will be what? Q raised to power what? 2. It's as simple as that. Square root is the same thing as raised to power half. I mentioned it in indices. Go through it if you don't know. If you go through it, you will know. So at the end of the day, I'll be getting 7p raised to power minus 1, q raised to power 2. I've been able to simplify this. So go to the option and see if you can get this. If you are not seeing this, it's the same thing as saying is also equals to 7q raised to power 2 over p. Okay, so p raised to power minus 1 is the same thing. So you will get your answer like that. So that's the simplification. It's as simple as that. So please continue to like, continue to share, continue to comment. If you have any observation, anything, you just continue to say it so that at the end of the day we can be on the same page. Thank you very much. Cheers.